This is Devin here at Computer Tech Repair Services. I just finished doing an iPhone 8 repair. This one was really busted up, and we got the new screen on and a tempered glass. We're not going to be repairing the back screen or the back glass here. We're actually just going to be putting it into a nice case. I recommended a BlackWeb case from Walmart right now. If you don't know already, BlackWeb is Walmart's brand. And this is the case. It actually looks a lot like a more familiar brand, Otterbox. This is a good competition for them. And the reason why I went with tempered glass on this one is because it has no front cover. So definitely Otterbox is going to be better, but still, this is a great case. What's really cool about these cases here is that they have the cover for the charging port, and the buttons here are really tactile. They feel really good whenever you press them. Yep. Same thing goes for your on-off switch for your vibration and pretty much your silent mode. See, a smart port protection. Yeah. This thing. With the iPhone 8, you want to take these two pieces apart. You want to place your iPhone 8 in there and secure it. There we go. And you can see how well the fit is. There we go. We're just going to slide this over. Okay. Get an edge-to-edge protection, and it's raised up around the edges, so if you do drop the phone, it's a lot less likely that you're going to break your screen. And I don't know anybody actually uses the little hip carrying case here, but it does come with one. Alright, so that's it for the iPhone 8 screen repair that we did today, and I'll see y'all next time.
Here at Computer Tech Repair Services, located on Highway 421 right behind Cookout. We have phone accessories, chargers, laptops, desktops, and more. Come by and see how we can help you today.